Hi my friends, it's Ian Stewart here at Buildabizonline with yet another tool, and this one's called the Video Background Splash Page Generator. Okay, now you can see here a white space with a bit of wording and also a video background. Now we provide templates with video background, but let's say that you wanted to make your own. Okay, so this is how we do it. First of all, we go over to YouTube. Okay, and then we search for video animation background, something like that. Okay, now you've got a range that you can choose from, but you must use copyright and non-copyright. Okay, so there is no copyright on these if you go to Creative Commons, and then you can choose whatever you wish in there and you can use them. And let me have a look at this one first. Let me scroll down. There's all sorts of different videos in there, because I know some of you love to be creative. Let's say this one. So what we do, if we want to use this, we click on there, look. And then what we do, I'm going to bring this up. We need this part of the code. Everything up to the equals, and we copy that. Okay, let's bring that back down here and come over here, and you can see there's a code in there, and that's the YouTube code for this particular video background. You can see the waves in the background there moving about. So we're going to paste that there. Okay, click anywhere outside of the box and it should change, and there we have it. I think that is a fantastic video background. Okay, it will keep refreshing after it comes to the end of the particular video and restart again like now. Okay, which we don't mind. Now, so let's have a look at the rest of our splash template. So this is what we do. Now let's click on to left. Okay, and then we've got the right hand side of the page, and then we've got the center of the page. I'm going to put mine on the right hand side of the page. I'm also going to tone this down to about 750. Okay, so click anywhere out of there. In fact, I'm going to make it 700. Okay, so there we have that. Now there's the shadow there. You can have a shadow on there or not, so you can see that the border has been removed. Okay, the text color is black. You can do it whatever you wish, and then the border, we can alter the border. So let's move it and we'll put it to red. Okay, and now you should see red if I put this up. So we've got a black border. No, it didn't change, so let's go. Right, that's what I forgot to do. So there we have this red border now. Okay, you can alter the radius of the border yourself. So let's just say, and this is the corner radius. Now I like mine quite round. I think that looks more modern. Now what we want now, let's say that we're using this for a splash page. All we need to do is generate this code, go over to our splash page creator, and paste this code into the first box. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to use this as a capture page. So what I'm going to do is just click on there. Okay, so let's get over here, and there we have the Splash code generator. Now my username is Buildabiz. Okay, so let's just create a code, or a form, sorry. I'm just going to put in there 1, 2, 3, 4. But what you need is your autoresponder ID. Okay, so that's that, and this is what we've got at the moment. Now I'm going to match the colour again, so I'm going to come to red. I'm going to go up in that corner and then click outside of the box, and there we have it. We can actually alter the text as well, but I'm not going to do that. So let's just generate the form code. So we copy to clipboard, we go back over here, and we place that. So we left click in there, and then right click, and then click paste. So what we should have, if we left click anywhere out of there, is our form code. And it all matches. So we've got this red theme in the background, and everything else, the border. In fact, I think that's a little bit too big. Let's take away the shadow as well. So let me just thin that out a bit. There we are, that's a little bit better. Okay, and simply what we do, now you can also alter the privacy text. So your information is 100% safe, and I'm going to put with us, oops, or with me. You can put with me, and then click left click anywhere out of the box, and you can see that that's changed. So all we need to do now is to click left click, generate the code, left click copy, and then I need to go over to my Buildabizonline. Okay, and then I can go to the toolbox, which is here. These are all the free members tools, but for the pro members tools we need to come down here, and I need to click on Splash Page Generator, and then I wonder if I've got one with a video background test. I'm going to do vid BG1. Okay, so video background 1, and I'm going to click on there to generate that. Okay, and then it says please click here, so we're going to click on that. We're going to come all the way down to the bottom, because what we're going to do, we're going to click on here, because we need to choose a special theme, a special template. So we're going to click change the template, and we're looking for, it's usually on the right hand side, plain old white. There is another one somewhere, I'm sure there is. No, I'm thinking about something else. So anyway, I'm thinking about the capture page generator. Okay, so we highlight that, we come all the way down to the bottom, and we click update that. Okay, so now we go to, let's make sure that I chose that right. Yeah, update it. Right, click here to edit it. So now what we need to do is click on source, and we need to paste that code that we copied into there, and then we click source, and you can see it's there straight away. Okay, so what we need to do is click update settings, and then what we need to do is come down all the way down the bottom, click on here, and there we should have it. Okay, so what you would do now, you would come back into here, and you would click on here, and you would alter all this. Okay, and that's how you do it. Now don't forget, you can, with the form creator, you can make that a lot narrower as well. But there we have it. That's how you can choose your own video. It's okay me choosing videos and dictating to you in a fashion which videos you can use, but you may want to put your own in. You may have permission from the program that you belong to borrow one of their video backgrounds. It's entirely up to you what you do. But make sure that when you come in here, you choose video animations, and then you click on that filter and look for the correct ones. Okay, so let's just go back. Let's just go back again on there. Okay, so, and go back again. Just bring that up just a little bit. Video animations, filters, and Creative Commons. And you won't go far wrong with that. There's all sorts that you can have in your backgrounds. Okay, I say don't add too much, because you're going to distract from the message within your capture page or your splash page. Okay. I mean, look at this one here. Natural landscape.
Background Star Hill. Background Star Hill.
I wouldn't use that one because it's got a lot of stuff in the beginning, but that sort of thing just there, look. Okay, so don't forget how you do it. Simply go up to the top and then copy that part, and the software will pick out, place the rest of that in it. So you only need after the equals. Look at that, it's gorgeous. So there we have it. So this is Ian signing out, saying thanks for listening. Please like, sign up. For instance, I like that, so I'm going to click thumbs up on there. And if I wanted to, I would subscribe to that. And every time he creates a video background, I would get a notification. And I'm asking that you do the same, because you're looking at this video on YouTube. So if you subscribe to us, you can either give it a thumbs up, the video tutorial, or a thumbs down. I'm not fussed. Okay? You can even comment on the video that I'm making right now. It's entirely up to you. But please do subscribe. And when you subscribe, you click on subscribe and hit that bell. And then you will get a notification every time I add a training video. So, thanks for listening, and bye for now.